Arrive in style with this Toyota 2007 Tundra SR5. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: cold kit, off-road package, 6 speakers, AM/FM CD audio, AM/FM radio, CD player, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.